Okay.
No battery.
Good morning. Hi, my name is Rangga and I'm the trainer for Angkasa Pura. Today, we will make a video of testimonials from the staff. So, I will start asking one of them and then continue with the rest of the students. Okay? Now, I'm going to start with
I am Asror.
Asror.
Yes.
Okay, Asror, what do you think about the training?
The training is very good for me, for my activity in Juanda Airport. The training has the funnest game and funnest conversation and communication with Mr. Rangga. About the material of the course is useful enough. It's good for me to talk about direction on the airport, and the last is trainer is very good for me. Mr. Rangga, thank you for your knowledge for me.
Excellent. Thank you. Okay. The next one, Ruben. Okay, Ruben. Very good. Ruben, you ready? Okay. So Ruben, what do you think about the training?
I
this
think
time?
it's useful for me because activity we meet other person we don't know and should be tell me about this country and more than of it. So you can useful of the learning or this class or help me communication or conversation with other people from the other country.
I see.
Okay. That's a training for helpful or useful for us. So thank you this class. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Awesome. Next.